Imagine this for a moment. If you had invested $110,000 in Apple stock 20 years ago, today that investment would be worth over $4.9 million. On the flip side, if you had invested that same amount in the S&P 500 index, your total would be around $55,000. Even with reinvested dividends, it's still nowhere near Apple's massive rise. Apple didn't just achieve success, it was the driving force behind a revolution in technology that transformed the entire market. But here's where things get exciting. What if I told you that a similar opportunity is unfolding right now, one that could potentially be even more explosive? According to Tom Lee from Fundstrat, the S&P 500 could skyrocket to 15,000 by the year 2030. To put that in perspective, we're talking about a possible increase of over 160% from today's levels of around 5,700. Now, while that sounds impressive, there's something even more intriguing. Just like Apple led the way in the tech boom over the past 20 years, the next major wave of innovation, driven by artificial intelligence, might make even the most successful tech stocks pale in comparison. The real kicker is, this time, Apple won't be the company leading the charge. Instead, there are 3 AI-driven stocks that have the potential to follow in Apple's footsteps. Imagine what a $10,000 investment today could turn into. Just like those who rode the Apple wave in its early days, these 3 AI stocks could grow your money exponentially, possibly surpassing Apple's rise. Let's dive into the first of these stocks that are poised for incredible gains. The first company on our radar is MicroStrategy Inc., ticker symbol MSTR. MicroStrategy has become a game-changer in recent years thanks to the bold leadership of its CEO, Michael Saylor. Under his vision, MicroStrategy has completely transformed itself from a software company into a leader in the Bitcoin space. MicroStrategy's approach has been nothing short of revolutionary. Instead of reinvesting in traditional assets or growth initiatives, the company has taken a unique route by leveraging cheap debt to acquire massive amounts of Bitcoin. Since 2020, MicroStrategy has acquired over 252,000 Bitcoin, making it one of the largest holders of the cryptocurrency in the world. Now, what makes this approach so appealing to investors is the way Michael Saylor has structured the company's finances. By issuing convertible notes at incredibly low interest rates, sometimes below 1%, the company was able to raise substantial capital without exposing itself to significant risk. The most exciting part? The debt is non-recourse, meaning creditors can't come after the company's core assets if Bitcoin's value takes a dive. As Bitcoin's compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, continues to exceed 40%, MicroStrategy's stock has surged alongside it. Since embracing its Bitcoin-centric strategy, the company's market cap has exploded from $1.44 billion to over $30 billion. The result? MicroStrategy has outperformed even the biggest tech giants like Nvidia, proving that its strategy is more than just a bold gamble. It's a calculated move that has paid off in spades. For investors bullish on Bitcoin's future, MicroStrategy offers a rare opportunity to gain leveraged exposure to the cryptocurrency market. Before we jump into the next stock, if you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the latest insights into the world of finance and investing, and we've got plenty more valuable content lined up for you. Now, moving on to the second stock on our list, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited, ticker symbol TSM. TSMC is the world's leading semiconductor foundry, and it's absolutely crucial to the entire tech industry. From smartphones to high-performance computing, TSMC is the company that supplies the advanced chips that power nearly everything in today's digital world. TSMC's cutting-edge 3-nanometer technology now accounts for 15% of its total revenue, up from 6% just a year ago. Tech giants like Apple, rely on TSMC to provide the chips that enable their devices to function at top performance levels. And while competitors like Intel and Samsung are trying to catch up, TSMC continues to outpace them by a significant margin. What sets TSMC apart is not only its technological leadership, but also its ability to innovate and expand its production capacity. With plans to begin production on 2-nanometer chips by 2025, TSMC is years ahead of its rivals in both transistor density and process mastery. This positions them as the go-to provider for companies seeking high-performance computing solutions. From a financial perspective, TSMC is rock solid. The company holds nearly $63 billion in cash and has a manageable debt load, giving it the flexibility to continue pushing forward in R&D and expansion. With the semiconductor industry projected to grow at a 7% CAGR through 2030, TSMC stands in a prime position to capitalize on this growth, making it a standout stock for long-term investors. Finally, let's talk about our third pick, AppLovin Corporation, ticker symbol APP. AppLovin has emerged as a major player in the mobile gaming and advertising space, and its growth trajectory is nothing short of remarkable. In just the past year, AppLovin's software platform revenue has grown by an astonishing 75%, accounting for 66% of the company's total revenue by Q2 of 2024. This growth is fueled by AppLovin's cutting-edge AI integrations, which help mobile game developers and app publishers optimize their ad spend and maximize monetization. But the most impressive part of AppLovin's story is its profitability. In Q2 of 2024, the company's EPS surged by over 263% compared to the previous year, demonstrating that AppLovin's business model is both scalable and highly efficient. With the mobile gaming advertising market expected to grow at a 12.3% CAGR through 2032, AppLovin is well-positioned to capture a significant portion of this market. With a quant rating of nearly 5 stars and strong buy recommendations from analysts, AppLovin has seen its stock gain over 200% in the past 9 months alone. For investors looking for exposure to a high-growth, AI-driven company, AppLovin is one to watch closely. To wrap things up, these 3 stocks, MicroStrategy, TSMC, and AppLovin, each represent unique opportunities in the AI and tech space with massive potential for growth. Whether you're looking to capitalize on the future of Bitcoin, advanced semiconductors, or mobile gaming, these stocks are well-positioned to deliver strong returns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest financial insights and stock recommendations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.